Hey guys, welcome back to MyArtLife, and today I'm going to do a little bit of challenge with the Sakura Koi CAC Creative Art Color. So in here I'm starting out with the initial sketch. It's just a simple, quick, rough draft of the elements. And if you'll notice, I'm drawing what looks like koi fishes. Well, these are actually koinoburis. I'll tell you more about it later in the video. Alright, so now that we're done with the pencil sketch, so let's start inking the details. And in here I'm using Sakura Micron pens. I only use 2 Micron pens, that's the 0.8 tip, which makes thick lines, and then 0.2 for thin, delicate details. But for this video, I'll be using more of the 0.8 micron pen. So micron pens are perfect for this project because its ink is waterproof. And since we're using watercolors later, it is important that the outlines won't dissolve or smudge when the paper gets wet. I love the consistent thickness of the lines it makes, and also the smooth ink flow, as well as the durable felt tips that doesn't split and fray very easily. If you're not familiar with Sakura Koi CAC, here's how it looks like. This is the smaller set of 12. It has 4 metallic colors and 8 fluorescent colors. There's also a larger set with an additional 12 pearl colors. But for today's challenge, I will only be using the 8 fluorescent colors. Okay. Let's start coloring, and I'm starting off with the blue color for the waves. Although this set only has 8 fluorescent colors, but it did stop me from mixing and combining them to create other shades of colors. Actually, if you look at the 3 flowers on the side, I used magenta and a little bit of blue to come up with violet, indigo, and purple. By the way, like I mentioned earlier, the fishes that I drew here are called koi nobori, and you may have seen this before in pictures or some videos about Japan. Koi nobori means carp streamer in Japanese. So these carp-shaped windsocks are put up as streamers during Tango no Seku. This is an event or a festival to celebrate Children's Day. These windsocks are made by drawing carp patterns on paper, cloth, or other non-woven fabric. These windsocks or streamers are also called Satsuki Nobori. They are very colorful and they wave around whenever the wind blows, and they really look like fish swimming in the air. And with regard to the festival or holiday, Children's Day takes place on May 5th. That's the last day of Golden Week in Japan. It is the largest break for workers and also a week in which businesses usually close for up to 9 to 10 days. Well, I do wish we have it here in the Philippines. So during this time, places across Japan are decorated with koinobori from April to early May. This is in honor of children, for a good future, and in the hope that they will grow up healthy and strong. Have to be honest, it wasn't easy for me to color using only fluorescent colors. Well, not just because this is the first time I'm doing this, but also I'm used to using deep, rich, vibrant colors. So it took a while to train my eyes and convince my brain that it is okay for colors to appear light because these are fluorescent ones. If you'll notice, when I started, I keep on adding layers of color. Well, it's because I was trying to make the color more deep and solid, but once I was able to put in other colors, that's when my eyes adjusted and it got used to the bright fluorescent colors. So everything went smoother from there. Alright, so here we are almost done, and I'm just adding a few more finishing touches, and I'm just splashing some color on the background. Alright, and now we're done and challenge completed. I really like how the finished artwork turned out. It's just too bad I don't have a black light to illuminate the fluorescent colors in the dark. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more of my art life videos. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, guys, and I'll see you again on our next project. Take care, everyone, and bye for now.